Programming a smart key fob for your 2019-2021 Chevy Silverado is possible without special tools. This involves using the vehicle's body control module, BCM, to recognize the new fob. The process consists of cycling the ignition and pressing a button sequence on the key fob. This establishes a secure encrypted link. Ensure you have all key fobs present, including the new one, before starting. The car should be off and doors unlocked. A software update released in 2024 improved key fob responsiveness for some users. However, if you encounter issues, check for Technical Service Bulletin Team 20 N8004. Begin by inserting a working key into the ignition for non-push-button models, or simply use the Start button if your vehicle has one. Turn the ignition to on-run without starting the engine, then back to off. Repeat this cycle 5 to 10 times within 10 seconds to enter programming mode. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the new key fob simultaneously for 10 to 15 seconds until the vehicle responds with a horn honk or lights flashing. Repeat the button sequence for each additional key fob you want to program, up to a maximum of 8 fobs. Finally, turn the ignition to on-run, then back to off to save the program settings. Ensure precise timing throughout the process. Use only genuine GM key fobs or certified aftermarket ones. If programming fails, check the key fob battery or BCM fuse. For high-mileage trucks or persistent issues, seek professional help.